little warm for you, isn't it? Tiny Tim. I think they told me this is about a 2-ton unit there. All right, here we got another roller coming here, a much heavier unit. Buffalo Springfield. And operated by the grandkids, I believe. I remember this engine for years and years here. Thanks for bringing her again. 1913, owned by John Ash. Thanks for bringing it. Another Frank Cummins Hall, built 1960, right? Okay, thanks for bringing it there. All right, here's one of the first of our Shepherd tractors coming. This is the SD2, 2-cylinder. As you can hear, it's yeah, 2-cylinder. And they build them, this is one of the King's engines coming here. Saw them driving up the hill here on Wednesday. Some Catskill location over here, up in Tumble. And you see the trailer behind it there with those cans. They use that for sterilizing, steam sterilizing feed beds, tobacco, vegetables, so forth. They'll lay those cans down there.
Goddamn way.
Hoses connected to them, and they'll steam those pups for a given amount of time to kill all the weed seeds and all the insects. And they go a little on down to the next. And that's an ongoing thing for a lot of years that they use that. Yeah, it was a good organic way to sterilize soil. And here we have a small steam engine. I believe this might be from the Catskill family too, is that right? Back in 1892, owned by Glenn Zimmerman of New Holland, Pennsylvania. Thank you. And here we have another steel model case coming. It's owned by Glenn Zimmerman of New Holland, also. Quarter scale. Thank you. Oh, looks like it's got a man's eye suit on there. Here we have a Canadian engine coming, a Waterloo engine. Built in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. What a beautiful engine. Waterloo. Thank you. We have a Baker engine coming here from Boston, Ohio. Hey, since when did you graduate the steam engine? Were you a hitchhiker? 6 horsepower associated engine. Ought to be pretty fuel efficient that way. Hello, Chalmers Model 200. This is anyhow one of the 100 series there. good-sized tractor, built in 1972, also owned by Little Bridge Ag Service. Tumble C14, built in 1957, also owned by Little Bridge Ag Service of Victoriaville, Pennsylvania. Tumble C15, built